Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 10.3 question number 10. By splitting the following figures into rectangles, find their areas. The measures are given in centimeters. Right? You have to find the area of those figures. We will divide this into various rectangles. Suppose the first rectangle is this one. I make a rectangle like this. Right? Now here you see this is 4 centimeter, and this you see this is also 4 centimeter, and the length of this line, the length of this line is 3 centimeter. Here you see the length of this line is 3 centimeter, and the length of this line from here to here is 4 centimeter. Therefore this one will be 4 minus 3, that is it is 1 centimeter. Right? The same way it is the length of this one is 3 centimeter. Right? The length of this one is 3 centimeter, and the length of this one from here to here, you see, from here to here is 2 centimeter, from here to here is 2 centimeter. Therefore it will be 1 centimeter. Right? Now if we draw another rectangle like this, make another rectangle like this. That means this is 4 and this is 1. Right? Again we are making another rectangle like this. We know that the length is 3 and it is 2. Right? Now you have to find the length of this one. This length you have to find. Right? How we will find this length? That means this is 2, here you find the length of this here is 2, this one is length is 2, and this one is 1. From here to here it is 1, and from here to here it is 2. Therefore the total is 2 plus 1, 3. That means this one is 3. Right? And here you see, here you see that it is 4. Here you see the length of this side. What is the length of this side? From here to here you will find that it is 1 and this is 4. That is total is 4 plus 1, 5. That is total is 4 plus 1, 5. Here it is, here you see the length of this side is 4. From here to here, to here is 4, and this side is 1. Right? It is 4 plus 1. From here to here the length of this side is 5. Right? This is 5. From here just I'm changing the color also. Right? That means this length from here to here it is 5. Right? And from 5 if we subtract 3, and this length is 3. Right? Therefore you subtract 5 minus 3, that is it is 2. Right? Once again you see, that means we are getting 4 rectangles. 1, it is 2, it is 3, and this one is 4. Again you see this is 4, from here to here this is 4. Right? This is 3, here to here it is 3, 3 must be it is 1. 4 minus 3 is 1, this is 1. Right? In the same way, if you for this is 1, means this is also 1, this is also 1. Right? Now find this one. This is 3 and this is 2, it is given. This is another rectangle. Now to find the length of this side. How will you find? If we join this one, that is from here to here it is 4 centimeter, right? From here to here it is 4 centimeter. And if we add this one, that is 4 plus 1 is 5. The total length, that means from here to here, from here to here it is 5. And this is 3. From here to here this is 3. Therefore 5 minus 3, this is 2. Right? We got all the figures. Now we'll add all the area of the figure. Right? It is area of first rectangle, area. Now we'll add all the area, that is area of first rectangle. First rectangle, area of first angle is equal to length is 4 and breadth is 3, that is 4 into 3, 4 into 3, that is 12 square centimeter, right? Then area of second rectangle, area of second rectangle, area of second rectangle is equal to this one second, that means this is 3, this is 3, length is 3 and breadth is 2, that is 23, that is 3 into 2, that is 3 length into breadth, 3 into 2, 3 to just 6 square centimeter. Now area of third rectangle, area of third rectangle, area of third rectangle, What is the area of third rectangle? You find the area of third rectangle is, this one is third, this length is, this breadth is 2 and the length is 3. Here you see this length is 3. Therefore 3 into 2. Therefore it is 3 into 2. 3 into 2 is equal to 6 square centimeter. Right? And the next one is area of fourth rectangle. Area of fourth rectangle. Area of fourth rectangle. Area of fourth rectangle is equal to, this one is the fourth one, this one you see, this one, that means the length is, here you see the length is 4, right, and breadth is 1, right, that is 4 into 1, that is 4 into 1, and that is equal to 4 square centimeter, right. If you add all the areas, we are getting 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 6, 16 plus 2, 18. Carry 1, here it is 8. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 square centimeter. Right. In this way, you have to divide all the figures into various rectangles. Right. Therefore, in this way, we are getting, in first figure, the area of the figure is 28 square centimeter. Right. Right, the area of the first figure is 28 square centimeter. Now we will find the area of the second figure. and find the area of the second figure. Here also you see, if we divide this figure into various rectangles, suppose we join this one, and we join this one, and you see this is the length and breadth is, here you see the total length of this side. The total length of this side is 3 centimeter. From here to here is 3 centimeter, and this one is, you see, this is 2 centimeter. From here to here is 2 centimeter. That means this length will be 3 minus 2, that is, it is 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter, right? Right? Now here you see this is 2 centimeter, this is 1 centimeter. You got this one. You have to find this value, right? What is the length of this side? Okay. Here you see the total length here from here to here, that is, this is 3 centimeter. From this, that means total length from here to here is the given 3 centimeter. Here you see this is 3 centimeter. This is 3. Okay. Now you have to find this length. Here you see this length 3, and this is 1 centimeter, that is 3 minus 1, that means from here to here this is 2 centimeter. Okay, here you see the total length is 3 centimeter, right, and this length is 1 centimeter. From here to here this is 1 centimeter, right? So 3 minus 1, that is, it is 2 centimeter, right? Then we are getting 3 rectangles, 1, 2 and 3, right? The area of first rectangle, of first rectangle is equal to, that is, 5 into 1, that is 5, length is 5 and breadth is 1, that is 5 square centimeter, 5 square centimeter, right? Area of second rectangle, area of second rectangle is equal to, this one is second, that means the length is 2 and breadth is 1, that is 2 into 1, 2 into 1, that is 2 square centimeter, 2 square centimeter. And the area of third rectangle, third rectangle is equal to this one, that is 2 into 1, that is 2 into 1, that is 2 into 1, 2 into 1 is equal to 2 square centimeter, 2 square centimeter. And if you add all the area, that is 5 plus 2 7 plus 2 9, 9 square centimeter, right? Therefore the area of the second figure is 9 square centimeter, right? We have to find the length of every side to get the length, right? Let us again repeat the figure number 1, right? Suppose we draw this one. Suppose we draw a rectangle like this, right? Here the length is 4 and it is 3, 4 minus 3, it is 1 centimeter, right? And this one is, see, this one is 3, the total length is from here to here is 3, and the length from here to here is 2, that means it is 3 minus 2, that is, it is 1, right? Now if we draw this figure, if we draw from here to here, right, this is 1 centimeter, from here to here is 1 centimeter, and from here to here it is 4 centimeter. You see this 4, and 4 plus 1, total is 5 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. From here to here the total length is 5 centimeter. right? And here you see from here to here this is 3 centimeter, right? That means the length of this side is 5 minus 3, it is 2 centimeter. This is whole length is 5 and this is 3, that is 5 minus 3, it is 2 centimeter, right? Now you got all the figures, and if you add this one, you divide this one, that means we are getting 4 rectangles. This one, the rectangle of this is length is 4 and breadth is 3, that is 12. That means 12 square centimeter is the area of the first rectangle, right? And second rectangle, you see this is, suppose this is second rectangle. The length is 3 and breadth is 2. 3 to the 6, it is 6 square centimeter, right? And if it is third, suppose this is third rectangle. What is the length? Length is, you see, length is this is 2, this one is 2, and the value of this one is here, from here to here it is 2, and from here to here it is 1, that is 2 plus 1 is 3, this is 3, length is 3, right? Therefore area of the third square length is 3 and breadth is 2, 3 is 6, 6 square centimeter, right? And this one is 4, fourth rectangle, right? Length is 4 and breadth is 1, that is 4 square centimeter, 4 square centimeter. In this way you have to find the various rectangle, that is 4 plus 6 10 plus 6 16 plus 2 18, carry 1 here 8, 1 plus 1 2, 28 square centimeter. That means the first figure has area of 28 square centimeter and the second figure has area of 9 square centimeter. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.